Hello students. Yesterday we started with the direct and inverse variation where you learn about the variation, kind of variation, that is direct variation and inverse variation, and we solve problem based on direct variation. Today I am going to solve some problem based on inverse variation. Now, let us look at the first sum. If x and y vary inversely, find the values of L, M, and N. Now, see, there is a table given where the value of x are given as 4, 8, 2, and 32. Y is given as 4, L, M, and N. Now, if you recall the concept I explained you yesterday, that in case of inverse variation, product of x1 y1 are equal to x2 y2 equals to x3 y3 equals to x4 y4. So using that concept we are going to solve this problem. So we can say that 4 into 4 equals to 8 into L. Same way we can going to say 4 into 4 equals to 2 into M, and 4 into 4 equals to 32 into N, because x1 y1 equals to x2 y2, so all these parts are equal to each other. Now from here 4 into 4 equals to 8 into L, therefore L equals to 4 into 4 divided by 8. So once you simplify you will get the value of L as 2. Same way if you simplify you will get the value of M as 8 and N as 1 by 2. Moving into the next problem, 12 pipes, all of the same size, fill a tank in 42 minutes. How long will it take to fill the same tank if 21 pipes of the same size are used? So here number of pipes are given and time in minute is given to you. So 12 pipe take 42-minute time to fill up the tank. So the question is how much time, how long it will take to fill the tank if you use 21 pipe. That means we increase the number of pipes. So if you increase the number of pipe, time required to fill the tank will get decreased. So this is a case of inverse variation. Upward sign represent number of pipe increase and it causes time to decrease. So downward arrow represent time will decrease. So 12 by 21 equals to, it is an inverse variation. So you need to take the reciprocal of any one of the side. If you are writing 12 by 21, then you need to write x by 42. Or if you write 42 by x, then you need to take the reciprocal of this side, 21 by 12. So 12 by 21 equals to x by 42, cross multiply, 21x equals to 12 into 42. It implies x equal to 12 into 42 divided by 21. 21 1 ja 21, 21 2 the 42. So 12 into 2, 24. So x is equal to 24 minutes. That means it will take 24 minutes to fill the tank. In a fort, 150 men had provisions for 45 days. After 10 days, 25 men left the fort. How long would the food last at the same rate? Now, see the student, here 150 men had provision for 45 days. After 10 days, there was change made. Whatever the changes were made, that was after 10 days. So we start the problem subtracting the first 10 days. So number of men is given and days is given. So 150 men and the provision had for 45 minus 10, that is 34 for 35 days. After that 25 men left the fort. That means 150 minus 25 equals to 125. How long it will last? So number of men reduce, decrease. So provision will last for more days. So upward arrow increase, number of days will be more. So 150 by 125 equals to, this is the inverse variation, so you need to change one of the side. So here I am writing x by 35. So if you cross multiply, you will get 125 into x equals to 150 into 35. Therefore x equal to 150 into 35 divided by 125. 25 6 ja, 25 5 ja, 5 7 ja. So x is equal to 42 days. Let us check another problem. If 56 workers can build a wall in 180 hours, how many workers will be required to do the same work in 70 hours? So your number of workers is given to you, time is given to you. So number of worker 56, time required 180. So if you want to finish the work in 70 hours, that means you are reducing the time. That means you need to increase the number of labors. So downward arrow represent time decreases, upward arrow represent you need to increase the number of worker. So 56 by x equals to 70 by 180, inversely proportional. So you need to change one side. So 70 into x equal to 56 into 180. It implies x equal to 56 into 180 by 70. 1010 cancel. 7 1 ja 7, 7 8 ja 56. So 18 into 8 equals to 144. So you need to apply 144 workers to complete the work in 70 hours. Thank you student for watching this.